Good Monday morning to you. I hope that you had a pleasant weekend, whether you were just getting caught up on housework or getting ready for the coming week. Hope that you were able to take even a couple of hours just for yourself to do what you want to do so that you recharge those batteries and you're fresh for the week. Who am I? I am Kitti Andrews with Fluent and Fabulous, helping you to elevate your English the fun and easy way. Why? Because you know what I'm going to say. Because when it is fun and easy, either or, then you're more likely to do it. And we bring you one word per day, Monday to Friday, and thank you for tuning in, by the way. And all of these one words come from the Barron's 600 essential words that you need to score well on the IELTS exam. But believe me, these words will serve you well in any situation. So let's jump to our word for the day, shall we? Our word for today is ingredient. And nice easy one today. You probably even know these words. You use this word all the time. It is a noun, and it actually, no, we have two definitions for it. The first one is the one that you already know, an item in a food recipe. Your example sentence is flour is a key ingredient in bread, plain and simple, or any bread products, flour. Now, don't get us started about Maida flour or any of the other flours. Anyway, there's your example. It's a key ingredient. Now, the other way that you can use it is not referring to food, but it pretty much means the same thing. Your definition is an essential part or factor, an essential part or factor. Here's your sentence. Hard work is a key ingredient for success. So you put in some hard work and out comes success, pretty much. Okay, so that is the word for today. If you have any questions about today's word, any of the words that we bring to you Monday to Friday, or if you want to learn more about our English or French programs, just go ahead, drop me a line. The contact information is down below. Oh, and be sure to visit our fluentandfabulous.com website. We, I think we're at the 13, 14 blogs designed to help you with anything to do with IELTS, your confidence, or even immigration to Canada. So until we see you tomorrow, go ahead, be fluent and fabulous. Bye for now.